This is the combine harvester. It doesn't get used until the summer. This is the front of it. We have to take that off so that it can fit down the road. So it tows it behind itself on the road to make it narrower. But when it's on the front, it's nearly 40 foot wide, which is about 12 metres wide. So it goes up and down the field, chopping everything down, sorting the grain from the chaff and the straw. It goes in a big tank on the top, and that's how we harvest the corn. It's on big wide tracks so it doesn't make a mess and doesn't sink, and protects the soil.